Hello guys, today we're looking at a Viltrox 9mm f2.8. It's an ultra-wide prime angle lens for the Sony E-mount APS-C paired with the Sony FX30 for video. It's a beast. So here's the unboxing. It comes with the lens hood, documentation, warranty. It only weighs about 175 grams and has a 58mm thread. So if you wanna put some filters on it, you could use some step-up ring. It's actually 13.5mm full frame equivalent, and it has an amazing autofocus. It's good for running and gun video. It's very sharp, and here's how it looks. Perfect for balancing on a gimbal such as the Viltrox Cup Mini. And here's a quick video paired with the FX30, the Viltrox 9mm. Which is really good, ultra wide, bang for buck. Perfect for vlogging and architecture, creative scene. Thanks for watching.